Today, more than ever, manufacturing and industrial businesses like yours face a world of new challenges, starting with skilled workers, finding them, keeping them happy, and then keeping them on the job. In harsh environments that demand constant attention to health, safety, and precision, the costs of getting it wrong can be staggering. And every day, you're expected to not only meet these challenges, but do it while still cutting costs, improving productivity, and finding more sustainable solutions. But here's the thing. Sometimes you find the answers in the most unexpected places. Like here. 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 And here. What if there was a company that has spent years developing insights and solutions designed to help make your business perform better? With products that strengthen the health, wellness, and morale of your workforce. Solutions that improve effectiveness and drive efficiency like never before. Lowering costs to make a real difference on your bottom line. All while helping your business reduce its impact on the environment. You'll be amazed how much more productive and profitable your business can be when the people who work for you are safe, healthy, happy, and on the job. From the shop floor to the top floor. We know the challenges you face, and no matter what you make, everything we make is designed to help you make it better.